Hey. Hey. Hey everyone, welcome to OC5. I am excited to announce Oculus Quest. It's wireless, it's got hand presence, 6 degrees of freedom, and it runs Rift quality experiences. Full inside-out tracking, full freedom to move around, no cables, no external sensors, just really good positional tracking. It's got adjustable fit, so it's comfortable to wear with glasses. It's got built-in 360 audio, even better than what we shipped with Oculus Go, even without headphones. You can play tennis. We have a tennis court set up, so you have one person on one side of the tennis court playing and another person on the other side in the living room.
The demo's over, Nina. There's nothing in the house.
Do you see that one?
You may wonder why I have brought you here.
We're also going to work on future technology that will unlock even more. Instead of taking the real world and overlaying virtual objects on top of it, like we plan to do with augmented reality, you can also take real world objects and integrate them into virtual reality. So as I put my headset on, we can see the virtual world overlaid on a very, very crude reconstruction of the real world behind it. And then I get a notification that tells me I've got a meeting, my speech will have to wait. I make my way into a virtual room somewhere in the metaverse that allows me to work alongside my team in a persistent environment. Someday there will be people in here, lots of people, imagine it. Mixed reality won't be ready for a while, but it is on our roadmap. We think it's a huge part of the next 5 years of virtual reality and an important step on the path to augmented reality.
This is all still early, but this is the basic roadmap. This is what we need to do for VR to succeed and to get to the future that we all want.
Gaming is finally here. Introducing Oculus Quest.